Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It is October 1st and I love the fall. I love this time of year because we go to fall, we go to winter. I love like the end of September, early October. So anyway, it is October 1st, which means I'm gonna do another update for my makeup project pan and I'm really excited about it. So in September, I did wear a good amount of makeup. I feel like I did miss a use or two here and there, like to mark it down, but I only have one like rollout. So depending what we roll in, I may roll in an additional product, but we're gonna see. All right, so the first item is actually the Merit blush. So I used it 6 times in the month of September, and each month it's the same now. It's going down and down, it's weighing less and less. And honestly, I feel like this is just a never-ending blush. So if you want a good cream blush that's gonna last you a long time, I'd highly recommend it. If you apply it, let's say, and you're not really seeing it and it blends away quickly, use a beauty sponge. I feel like that is the best way that I get the color, is if I use a beauty sponge. But this here, I was really hoping to have it done like by September or October, but with how much is left, like it doesn't look like much, but I don't know, it's just never ending. So it's either going to be one of those products where now it's going to be quick to go, or it's going to keep dragging on and on and on. I was really hoping to finish it this year. I really don't know at this point. So it is fairly flat. It doesn't weigh a lot anymore. So we're gonna see. Well, we'll see about it. This is a good one, Merit Baby. So I only needed to use it 15 more times, and I used it 9 times in the month of September. So I only need to use it 6 times in October, which is gonna be no problem. So here is how it's looking. So here's how it's looking. You can actually see like progress on it, which is great. I love this lipstick, so I'm glad that I was able to have it in the project twice this year so I could get really good use out of it. I'm wearing it today, layered with another product in here and then a lip oil, so I only need to use this 6 more times in October, which will be no problem, and then I can roll it out. So that's really exciting that I've gotten to use this like over 30 times, like I'd want to say closer to 50 times in a year. Like that's great. So Merit Fashion is the other lipstick that was rolled in here, and it is more of a like brighter, punchier color. Like it's not more of like a nude, like I did wear it in my last video, but this one here was the same goal as the Baby. It was in here for 25 uses, so I only have to use it 23 more times. But in September, I used it 4 times, so I only need to use it 19 more times, which it probably sounds like a lot, but it's really not, because if I'm using it like here and there, I should be able to reach that goal by the end of the year. And I love this color, and I do want to wear it more. So here is how it's looking. It does have less progress than Baby, but there is progress on it. So it is nice to know that I did reach for this about 30 times, maybe a little bit more in a year. So at least my lipsticks are getting use out of them, which I'm really happy about. So my Urban Decay palette, we are finally going to be rolling this out. I only needed to use it 7 times in the month of September, and I did, and I used every single shade in here except for I think this blue, but I used every other shade in here, and I love this palette. So I'm really happy that when I open this palette, I'm able to see like actual progress in here. You can see usage. I love this palette. It combines so well with all my other palettes. So this is definitely a staple in my collection, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad to see it like get out of this project because I did enjoy it so much. I even used it today on my eyes, and yeah. So anyway, I did use it 7 times in the month of September, so this is one that we will be rolling out. The next item is actually the Nars Lip Balm. Now I didn't mark it down every time I reapplied this product, so this number is off. I have it written down as 10 plus. So honestly, I would want to say we are closer to the 15-20 use range in the month of September, but because I would throw it on and then leave, I didn't always record when I would apply it. So I do have progress, but I don't actually have enough to like make a mark on the lid. So I made a mark on the lid when I started, and it's so reflective. Wow, okay. I made a mark on the lid, but I wasn't able to make another like mark for the beginning of October. So what I'm hoping for in October is to continue using this so I can make another like line. But I do actually have really good progress on it here, which I am happy about. And I'm gonna be honest, it's not like there is a ton left in here. So you can see there's not like a ton in here. So this is one that I did use today to layer. So I use this, and then I use baby, and then I use a lip oil. So this is one that I do really, really like, and I know I can finish it. I just need to reach for it like every single day. So maybe instead of using a lip oil, I'll use this. I need to remember that. All right. The last item in this project is actually the Too Faced palette. Now I did have this in my project pan last year, and as soon as I hit pan, it took me forever. It took me a long time. Like it took me basically a whole year to hit pan on one shade in here. And I told myself I don't even want to bother looking at it unless it gets rolled into a project. I love this palette, but it just, because it took so long, it just frustrated me and I got tired of it. But I am working again on the shade right here, and my goal is to hit side pan. I used it 6 times in the month of September, so this is how we are looking. I'm not close, but I'm not far away. I have a feeling that this is something that's going to be in here until like December, unless I like use it every single day. But just looking at it, like I am happy that I have like a goal, but I almost wish I had like a usage goal instead of to hit side pan. So I'm trying to try and do a side by side. So now, and then like when I first started, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm at the fun part where I can roll in one new item, and depending on what that item is, I may roll in a second. We're just gonna see. So let's go to the Tiny Decisions app. I have all of my makeup updated, so everything is ready to go. We're going to reset the wheel, and what's it going to be? I don't think you can see that, but that is the Milk Makeup Blush, which is a cream blush, which I've been trying to work on my Merit blush. So this is it here. Okay, I want to roll another item and I want to see what the other item would be, just so I can figure this out. Okay, we already got this Milk Makeup Blush. Another item, please. Nivea Lip Balm. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. Here are the 2 items that I pulled, and I am going to work on 2 new items just because I feel like the items that are currently in there are going to be ones that are going to be in here for a little bit longer, and I would like to kind of incorporate 2 more products in here. So the first one is actually the Milk Makeup Cream Blush, which I'm happy it's in here because I haven't actually touched it since I got it because I've been working on the Merit blush. So this one here, I am just going to set a usage goal so that I can play around with it and, you know, see if I like it and everything like that. So we're going to set a usage goal for this one. So let's see how many times I need to use it. 26 times. Oof. Okay, so 26 times for this. That's crazy. I think this is actually going to be in here until the end of the project. So these 2 here are going to be like alternating, which isn't bad because honestly I've been wearing this blush for the majority of the year because this has been in my project pan, so it is going to be nice to have a different blush in here, and they're both creams, so you know what, it's not going to be too bad. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to alternate. So because I use the Merit blush today, the next time I do my makeup I'll use the Milk Makeup, and I'll just switch it up every now and then, and I should be able to like get progress on this and then still get usage on this. So 26 uses. Have a feeling this is going to be in here until the end of the year. The other product that's in my project pan, oh, this was a product that I was thinking about decluttering like in January when I do a declutter. Oh, I hate this product. I only keep it in like my purse or gym bag as like one of those backup lip balms, but I hate this one. I only got it for like $2, but it's the Nivea Lip Balm, and it's hard to see. Do you see that? It's like that awful pink It honestly well, actually when it's on your lips, it looks like this. Like it just looks really like that light pink frosty, something that we would have seen like in like the 2000s or something I would have put on in like elementary school and thought I was cool. Like I'm really not sure if my camera's even picking that up, but my lips look so frosty when I put it on, so I don't know. I know for myself personally, to finish the rest of this is going to be a absolute nightmare because I really don't like wearing this at all. So I think I'm going to set a usage goal, and then that's going to help me decide if I want to just like keep it and then finish it, or if when January comes, if I want to declutter it. So let's set a usage goal and see how that is. And what I can do is I can apply it to my lips, and then I can put like a Merit lipstick on top of it. That may help it. So let's set a usage goal. So we're going to randomize 18. Oh, 18. 18 times feels like so many times with a product that you don't really care for. Here's the thing, like I like the smell, I like how it hydrates my lips, and if I just put a really sheer coat, like just one swipe, it's not bad. It's just if you apply too much, it looks too much, like especially on my lips. And this is one that I just keep as a backup for nighttime, for if I go out. But when I go out, now that we don't have masks, I don't like it. That's gonna be a good number for me to figure out if this is something I want to keep or not. Honestly, I have a feeling I'll use it 18 times and then I'm gonna just bring it to work and keep it at my desk at work. This way in the winter, if I ever need a lip balm, I can have this there, and if it ever gets lost or something, it doesn't really matter. So for usage goals, this one I am gonna try my hardest to have rolled out for October. Like I'm telling you, I'm gonna try it. The Milk makeup one is gonna be in here for quite a while. What is it? Fashion's probably gonna be in here for like another month or two. Baby is going to be in here for one more month. I already know. I'm gonna use it in October. And then we have the ones that we're trying to make progress on. My Hot Buttered Rum palette, I already know that's going to be in here until December. I don't even know if I am going to be able to hit side pan, even though I'm really trying, but we'll see. The Nars Lip Balm, I am going to try and finish it. Don't think I'm going to be able to finish it in October now that that awful Nivea one's here. And then I have the Merit blush to try and finish. So those are going to be all of my products for this rotation, which I am happy about, but I'm also kind of like, out of all the products, it had to pick a cream blush and a lip balm. And yes, I know it is my own collection. I could choose my own products, but I do really like the randomness, and the reason why I don't personally pick the products and I let the app choose a random one is because the majority of the time they are products that I maybe don't reach for as much, don't think of reaching for, especially like that Nivea lip balm and the cream blush. And the other part about it is sometimes when I pull products like, let's say that lip balm, now I'm going to need to pull another product that I may not have pulled before, like a lip gloss. So it is a nice way for me to kind of work through my makeup collection without using the same things or neglecting a lot of my makeup. So let me know in the comments down below if you are working on a product or if you've recently finished or hit pan on something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.